Hello and welcome to another video about AccuCampus. Today we're going to talk about staff availability in AccuCampus. In order to configure staff availability, there are two options. Administrators can click General, Users, then they can select the user, in this case the staff, and they can click Staff Availability in the right, and there they can edit the availability for this staff. Now, if staff have permissions to edit their own availability, they can click on General, My Availability. In this screen, we're going to configure the schedule and availability for this user. First, we're going to select in this list if it's going to be available for walk-ins only, appointments only, or all. I'm going to say all. Next, we have services. We're going to select if the user is going to be available for all services or only a few of the services by selecting from this list. In this case, I am going to make it available for all services. Third, we're going to select availability for courses. If we check mark available to all courses, then the user is going to be available for everything. But if we want to filter just a few of the courses, you can click only these specific courses, and you can filter using the subject from this list. For example, all the courses related to biology, or we can select specifically by the courses. I can select biology 2, and this user will be available only for biology 2. In this case, I'm going to leave it available to all courses. Choose if the user will be available at any time or if they will have a schedule. To add a schedule, click Add Schedule. Please select from the list if it's going to be regular hours, off time, or extra hours. Now please select the day of the week from the list. In this case, I'm going to select Monday. The start time and end time, I'm going to select 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. If you are going to schedule a location, please add a location as needed. In this case, I'm going to select Physics Lab. Select what type of availability, if walk-ins or appointments or both. In this case, I am going to be selecting all. Select the max number of attendees. In this case, I am going to select 5 and click Save Changes. You can use the same method to add a new schedule. Let's say for regular work hours, Tuesday, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. at the Math Lab, available for walk-ins only, and the max number of attendees will be 3. The same way you can add off times, which is the time that the staff is not going to be available. Select the date start, 10 a.m. and the end, let's say for a week I am not going to be available. So from the 30th of April to the 7th of May at 5 p.m. Click Save Changes. Adding extra work hours is usually used for special events. This is the days and times outside of the normal schedule that the user will be also working. Please select the date start, let's say from the 1st to the 3rd next month at the Math Lab for walk-ins only. Max number of attendees will be 3. Click Save Changes. And now you can continue doing the same process for the rest of the user and their schedules. That was all for today. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this. Goodbye.